What is up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing video of this SanDisk Ultra SDXC card. Now this one has 64 gigabytes of memory with speeds up to 80 megabytes per second, which is pretty fast. Basically, you'll be able to record high definition video on this. Now, I'm gonna crack the box open real quick. Give me 1 second. Oh shit. Alrighty. I very gracefully cut it in half. Now, this is what's on the inside. So I'm probably gonna have to cut this out carefully. Okay, it's got a little thing in it. You can pop it out. I'm trying not to break this before I even use it. Alright, there we go. So this is what it looks like. Get you guys a little close up on it. Now, this is pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys this new SD card that I got. They come in a package just like this. I got this on Amazon for like $11.15 each. So I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are trying to get one. But that's pretty much it. I would encourage you guys to check out my other videos. I got a lot of unboxing videos on camera products, tech, everything. So just check out my page. I'd love to hear some feedback from you guys. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have gotten this before, if it works good for you. If you guys have any other brands that I should check out, just let me know. And I appreciate it. Talk to you guys later. Check out the rest of my channel.